This third grade small group is going to be very similar to yesterday with a few additions. So just like yesterday, you're going to play polygon or not, but this time you're actually going to start naming the polygons. And then here we're going to name fractions where students can do that individually instead of as a group if they're ready for it. Starting with our polygon or not, display and talk through what does it mean to be a polygon. More than two sides, made of straight lines, closed. And then as you guys talk through as a group, you might show your first polygon card. Polygon or not? Yes. Now to be able to name it, we have to ask ourselves how many sides and how many angles. And it might be helpful even to use a dry erase or a vis-a-vis to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many angles? 5. Let's see how many sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many sides? 5. Since it's a 5-sided shape, what do we call that? That's a pentagon. What is it? Pentagon. They might not remember. The other thing you can do with them is record as you talk through. You could start with this before you even name the shapes, or as you're going with the shapes of, if it's a 3-sided shape, what do we call that? Triangle. 4-sided shape, what do we call it? Quadrilateral. And all sorts of other names can be along with a quadrilateral. And you guys can discuss that as you come to them. 5-sided shape is a pentagon. 6-sided shape is a hexagon. 7-sided shape is a heptagon. That might be new to them. Heptagon. 8-sided shape, just like an eight-armed animal, octagon, O-C-T-A-G-O-N, like an octopus. Octagon is an 8-sided or 8-angled figure. 9 is a nonagon, and 10 is a decagon. Deca means 10, nona means 9, octa means 8, hepta means 7, hexa means 6, penta means 5, quad means 4, tri means 3. So there's that information. That might be all you get through today, and that's okay. But talking through a shape or two, counting the sides, counting the angles, identifying the name. Spend about half of your small group on that. Then after you're finished, you are going to move on to labeling your fractions. Start as a group just to remind them of yesterday. Okay, let's look at this very first fraction. How many pieces is it cut into? 5, that's our denominator. How many pieces are shaded? 1, that's our numerator. What's the shape? 1/5. If students seem ready, go ahead and give each of them their own sheet to fill out. They can use a vis-a-vis or a dry erase. Vis-a-vis is a little easier, but it is messy. And monitor them as they go. If they're not ready for individual, pull them back and do this whole group. But that is our focus for today. Thank you.